This is crazy, fam. This is crazy. They're not slow. You're just super fast. No, it wasn't fluke, doggy. Nah. Stop underestimating my dude. That was no fluke. Oh! Wait, what? What happened? Wait, what's going on? Wait, that's crazy! No! Wait, are you kidding me? Hold up! Nah, bro, hold up! What the fuck was that? Yo, Jesus, what the fuck was that? Wait, what's going on? Oh my god! Oh, he's doing it! He's doing that! Wait, what the fuck? Wait, why the fuck did you stop? What the fuck? Why did you stop? What the fuck just happened? What the fuck? Oh shit, my shoulder is killing me. Jesus, man. It's so hard to breathe. Oh shit. Oh no. He's about to pass out. He's about to pass out. Tengen is still far away. What you gonna do? What happened? Oh! Yo! Are you kidding me? Oh shit! Oh! Yo! No! God damn it! Oh shit, man, everything's falling apart. What the fuck is going on? Oh shit! Oh, Nezuko, nah, you gotta be kidding me, bro! Holy shit! Oh my god! Jeez, my shoulder! Fuck! Oh! Yo! Oh, damn it! Nezuko, right? Tamayo? Oh. And oh shit. Oh, yo. He's talking about Nezuko. Oh, listen to this music. Oh, alright. You've had my fucking glasses. Alright, jeez. Fuck. Alright. Let's go. Wait, oh, no, wait, something's happening. Oh my god! Wait, what happened? Oh my god! Yo, what's going on? No! Yo, what's fuck? Oh my god! Yo! What the fuck just happened? Oh my god, what the fuck just happened? Oh my god! Yo! Oh! No! Nezuko! Oh! Yo! That was... Oh! Shit, fam! Oh my god! Yo, what the fuck? Nezuko! Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck just happened? Oh! What the fuck? Hold up, I'm sweating. Oh, jeez. Yo! Oh my god! Oh! Yo! Oh! No! What happened? Oh! Wait, how the fuck she landed that kick? Oh my god, she landed that kick! kinda reminds me of Muzan right now. Those eyes and that intimidating aura. Are you kidding me? She reminds me of Muzan so much. Holy shit, wait. Oh, no. What the fuck, bro? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck did I just watch? Are you seriously kidding me right now, fam? Demon Slayer? Oh, damn. Holy shit, this episode. Oh my god, yo, this episode has me sweating in the winter, fam. It's winter right now, but I'm sweating already. Amazing episode. Jesus Christ, this episode was amazing. Holy shit. I'm telling you, fam. Oh, my fucking shoulder. Jeez, man, that ain't Tanjiro, fam. That wasn't Tanjiro. That was definitely some way twisted, fucked up, too OP version of Tanjiro, because that was clearly like demon's energy right there, fam. That wasn't Tanjiro. Like, her hair was more spiky, he was more aggressive, and everything just... He was different. He was completely different. And that was a Nezuko. Nezuko, like, oh, with horns, and Daki saying that that was actually a caliber, you know, like upper rank caliber. Do you even know what that means, fam? An upper rank caliber? Holy shit, that means she's in the league with Daki. And not even Daki, fuck her. I mean, she's in the league with Akaza. Are you kidding me? Akaza? Holy shit. And you know Akaza can fuck shit up.